So we will carry on to JavaScript paper task 4 for A-level for October, November 2023. We're already done with all the previous tasks. And we're going to go right now to the JavaScript part. So we need to open this in HTML. And the web page will enable the user to calculate the height of the tree. So we have 3 text boxes here. We're supposed to put the angle, the distance, and the height for the viewer from this side. And it will supposed to calculate the height of the tree, and it should display it over here. So the user needs to enter those 3 values, and the calculation should happen as follow. And this is the value that's supposed to appear down here. The value of the angle factor is provided already in the JavaScript file. We need to open this HTML file and the JavaScript file in both text editors. And we need, first of all, let's try to amend the HTML file to be able to use this JavaScript file. So let's check it. I have already opened it in JavaScript file in Dreamweaver. And as you can see here, this already have a function, but it does not have the body of the function. So it should be in JavaScript, and JavaScript also not connected here or not attached to this file yet. So let's try to put the cursor down here. And let's go to Insert, HTML, and Script. And let's attach the JavaScript file. Alright, the JavaScript file has been attached, as you can see here. Let me just amend it a bit. Alright, let me just save it. And let's check it. Try to open it. I just need to check it can get it. Let me just put an alert here, message, to make sure that it can open. It can just read or reach the JavaScript file. Yes, it is. Okay. So what we need to do right now, let me carry on reading the question. Complete the calculate function in this JavaScript file. The formula of variable of angle factor has been already included. They already did it for us here, as you can see. Add the statement to finish the calculation of the height of the tree and display the results were shown, or here, they mean. And save this JavaScript file as the same name. Okay, so let's try to finish it. So they need to, they want us to do the angle factor multiplied with the distance plus the height from the eye, and this will be saved in this variable. So let me create a variable. So what we can call it, we just can call it tree height. So it's going to be angle factor multiplied with the distance. Okay, distance will be taken from, we have 3 text boxes over here, angle, distance, and view. So its ID is distance. I'm just going to say distance dot value plus third variable was view height plus value. Just let me make sure it's also working. Tree height. Let's check it. Okay. I'm just using alert as a debugging method, or I can use console.log, so it will appear also here. I use different methods, whatever can be easier for you. Okay, so the next step is, after taking this, I needed to make it appear over here. So this area is h3, which is the ID, name is tree height result. Let me remove this space into the one word. Let's go and let's put the results in it. So it's going to be how to reach to it. Just document dot get element by ID, its name. We need to assign it to its value. What we need to assign is the value that we're storing it in tree height. Okay, let's check it now. Oh, wait a minute. We need to save it. Okay, let me check what's the problem. Oh, I remember. It's inner HTML. It's not value. Okay, it's appearing here. We just need to finish the rest of the words. I mean, it should show first the height of the tree is and meters. So it shouldn't be just this, it should be the height of the tree is okay. Let's finish the rest of the points. Add a button under the table to clear all the data and amend your script that all the results maximum to 1 decimal place. There are many ways that we can set it to 1 decimal places. So the easiest way that we can set it to 1 decimal place is this value from the tree height. This value we can multiply it by 10, and then we can no, we just can make it to first let's round it to math.round. Okay, we can use fix, we can use round, we can use different math. I will show you the result. Okay, you can see that it is without any decimal, or at least one maximum decimal point. So what we can do, we can multiply it by 10 and divide it by 10 as well. So get here and just going to multiply this with 10 and divide it over 10. Okay, great. Let's check it right now. Did I save? Yes. Okay, you can see. The next point is that we have to add a button, this button, and it's supposed to say to click to enter new data. So it's supposed to clear everything. That's a pretty easy thing to do. I'm just going to copy this button to be fast. And where's the location of this? The location of this button is totally out of everything. So let's call it clear all. And where was the button name? Click to enter new data. Still not in the center, so I'm just going to add a few lines to make it to the center. The previous ones are in center because the table there are some of the CSS to make it into the center, especially this margin left and things, so that's why everything inside is centered. But this one is not inside the table, so that's why it's not centered. But it's okay, we can just center it. If I do here, I did it previously. Just let me copy. I display block and then the margin automated, make it, and each supposed to easily come to the center. And there, I need a bit of space over here. So I'm just going to add BR. Okay, right now let's go to the functionality. Let's add functionality, clear all. Let's add it as well in JavaScript because they didn't mention. You can just add it here, or you can define the function in JavaScript wherever you like it. I'm just going to add it here. It's just simply going to empty all the text boxes. So document dot get element. I like to write it always the full way, not just simply reaching with a value. So that's the first one, angle. It's supposed to be the value. We need to make it empty. And we will just repeat this 3 times for all the text boxes. It's working. Okay, so let's try. Okay, you can see with 1 decimal place, clear it, and here is our website. So after that, you need to save it with this name. And that's the ending of our JavaScript paper. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section, and all the best in your exams.